Alright, so if you do not get a wow moment from this, you do not have any taste. Sorry. Look at this. Oh, this is so beautiful. That's a wrap on Ageobong of Demisan. It's mountain 1 for today. Mountain 2 in total. It's day 2. Yeah. Alright, so unfortunately, although the view was spectacular, on this mountain I did not find a Dragon Ball. Lucky for us though, I have a second mountain scheduled today, which is Woraksan, not too far from here. And let's see if we get a bit more lucky on that one. I am in Woraksan and still gotta go there. I have about, what is it, like 1.92 kilometers left till I reach the peak. And then hopefully, it looks overcast, so I don't know how the view will be, but I hope it's worth it. Anyway, my legs are sore from yesterday. Oof, eyes on the prize. It was worth it. It was really worth it. Look at this. Just look at this. You see how happy I am? Ooh, it is cold, but I'm happy. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream. Yay. It started raining again, and I'm going down this slippery ass path. Alright. I'm happy. Rocky roads. Bring me home. Does it take me home? Anyway, West Korea. It's not even west, it's like middle. And just a little with you. Ah, shit. Tip, 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 tip. Ooh. Ooh. interesting. Oh man. I'm going down. The rain is picking up. It's also getting darker. It's getting slippier. Slipperier. It's getting more slippery. Still have a little bit to go. Bye. It's getting darker. Still going on. I'm hungry. And I cannot run because I might slip, fall, and die. Tomorrow another one, eh? It's raining me. Hallelujah. I think I'm almost done. I guess I won't have to wash these clothes. Hey, you win some, you lose some, but I only win. Oh, that failed. Oh, it's raining and I'm soaking wet. Where is my Indian entourage doing that flash mob action when it starts raining? I've seen those Bollywood movies. Where? Oh, where y'all at? Let's dance. Chuku chuku. So I'm almost done. Still raining. Shout out to my boys Emirhan and Abdes. I want y'all to know, after rain comes sunshine. Maybe first a bit more rain, maybe a storm, but sunshine after all of that nonetheless. So keep your chin up, chest up, keep moving forward. I'm gonna catch y'all later. That is a wrap on day 2. And a wrap on me too.